Hello children, welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are doing well and studied the previous lessons properly. So in the last class we had completed the chapter 3 and we had also solved the exercise question answer. Okay, so today we will start with chapter 4, that is Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2010. Now the MS PowerPoint, from the name you can understand that the MS PowerPoint is a software of MS of MS Office means Microsoft Office. Okay, MS PowerPoint is Microsoft PowerPoint, and which is a software part. Now, Microsoft Office is a software package in which there are different. It consists of different software parts. Okay, and what are the parts? Parts are MS PowerPoint, then MS Paint, MS Word. So Microsoft Office হলো একটা প্যাকেজ, the software package, যে software package এর মধ্যে different softwares থাকে. Now one of the software, one of the popular software is MS PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, the Microsoft PowerPoint helps us to prepare computer-based presentation. Okay, so what is the need of using Microsoft PowerPoint? Because we use Microsoft PowerPoint as it helps to prepare a computer-based presentation. So first you have to know what is presentation. Okay, so presentation means displaying information on any particular topic in an organized and systematic way. Okay, now suppose you have, there is a project for your science, living and non-living thing. Okay, so my class 3 te পড়ে এসেছো living and non-living things. So there is a project, you have to make a project on living and non-living thing. So for this you have to make a computer based project. যদি এমনি রিটেন প্রজেক্ট হতো তাহলে কি করতে, লিভিং আর নন লিভিং থিং এর ওপর যে ইনফরমেশন বইতে দেওয়া আছে সেই বই থেকে ইনফরমেশন নিয়ে তোমরা পেজে সেই ইনফরমেশন গুলো লিখতে, আর কিছু লিভিং নন লিভিং থিং এর ছবি পেস্ট করতে, তো এইভাবে একটা প্রেজেন্টেশন আর প্রজেক্ট বানাতে, যেটা কি করতো অর্গানাইজ আর সিস্টেমেটিক ওয়েতে করতে। সুন্দর করে প্রথমে ইনফরমেশন, ইউ উইল রাইট দ্য ইনফরমেশন, দেন পেস্ট আ ফটো, দেন ইনফরমেশন পেস্ট আ ফটো, এরকম একটা অর্গানাইজ আর সিস্টেমেটিক ওয়েতে তোমরা করতে রিটেনে। সিমিলারলি if you have to make the project computer based, যদি কম্পিউটার এই প্রজেক্টটা করতে হতো, you have to follow the same organized process. Okay, তুমি একটু লিখবে, তারপর একটা ছবি দেবে, এরকম করে। ওকে, so this displaying the information about living and non-living thing in this way, in this particular way, in this organized way, means is called presenting a project. Okay, presenting our information, and this is called the presentation. And এই প্রেজেন্টেশনটা আমি কিভাবে করতে পারবো? Using MS PowerPoint I can make this project. Now আমি যে তোমাদের বোঝাচ্ছি, see, all of you can see, this is the MS PowerPoint window. This is the main PowerPoint window যেখানে আমি তোমাদের জন্য এই প্রেজেন্টেশনটা ক্রিয়েট করেছি for your understand purpose. Okay, দেখো পয়েন্ট টু পয়েন্ট আমি লিখেছি। each and every point, there are 3 point, 1 2 3, each and every point to point আমি লিখেছি যাতে তোমরা পার্টিকুলারলি প্রত্যেকটা পয়েন্টকে ধরতে পারো, বুঝতে পারো। ওকে, তো আমি এভাবে ইনফরমেশনটাকে প্রেজেন্ট করছি ইউজিং which সফটওয়্যার? Using MS PowerPoint. Clear? Now, the PowerPoint presentation consists of a series of slides. Okay, consists of a series of slides. PowerPoint presentation এ তুমি তৈরি করো presentation এ অনেকগুলো স্লাইড থাকবে। না, what is slide? স্লাইডটা কি? The slide, a slide is a page of, a slide is a single page of the presentation. Okay, তো তোমরা যখন written presentation তৈরি করো, suppose for a project তোমার 4টে পেজ লাগলো। ওকে, তো তোমার প্রজেক্টে 4টে পেজ হলো। সিমিলার যখন কম্পিউটারে করবো ওরকম you need 4 and 5 pages. Now this, the all the pages, প্রত্যেকটা each and every page of presentation is called slide. যখন হ্যান্ডমেড প্রজেক্ট করছি তখন সেটা পেজ বলছি, আর যখন কম্পিউটার বেসড কোনো প্রজেক্ট করছি আর প্রেজেন্টেশন করছি তখন each and every page is called a slide. Clear? Clear what is MS PowerPoint? So MS PowerPoint is a software that we use to make computer based project or computer based presentation for displaying any information in a organized and systematic way, and each and every page of this presentation of our project is called slide. Clear? Now the next is how we can start MS PowerPoint in our computer. আমরা কম্পিউটারে MS PowerPoint কি করে start করব? Now the first step is click on the start button. The start menu appears. Okay. So see in this picture, number one. See in the status taskbar. This called is the taskbar of the desktop. Okay. So in the taskbar there is the start button. See the button pointed by number one is there is the start button. Okay. Now you have to click the start button. Now when you click the start button, this menu box will be appear, which is called the start menu. Now number two is click on all programs. So in the start menu, there is the option all program and you have to click on this option. So number three is in the next menu that appears, click on the Microsoft Office. তো তুমি যখনই এই স্টার্ট বাটনে অল প্রোগ্রামসে ক্লিক করবে, next this menu box will be appear where you have to click this Microsoft Office option. Okay. So আমি বলেছি MS PowerPoint টা থাকে, MS PowerPoint সফটওয়্যারটা থাকে Microsoft Office প্যাকেজের মধ্যে. So when you will click the Microsoft Office option, there will be many software under this Microsoft Office will display. Now among this all software you have to choose the Microsoft PowerPoint. দেখো Microsoft PowerPoint number 4 দিয়ে indicate করা আছে. Okay. So Microsoft Office এর মধ্যে Microsoft PowerPoint when you click on Microsoft PowerPoint, the Microsoft PowerPoint window will appear. So first কি করব, number one start button, then I have to click all programs. Now after all programs the Microsoft Office option will come. Now you have now when you click on Microsoft Office, there will be a lot of software that will come, and among them you have to select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now when you click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, the PowerPoint window will appear. So this is the PowerPoint window. In the PowerPoint window will look like this. Okay. Now see there are many components of this PowerPoint window 2010. There are many components in PowerPoint 2010. So I will discuss about each of the component. Okay. Now the first is title bar. See the first is title bar. So the title bar is used to, the title bar is located at the top of the MS PowerPoint window and it displays the name of the presentation. এটা কি করে, টাইটেল বার কি করে, প্রেজেন্টেশন আর যে প্রজেক্টটা তুমি তৈরি করেছো, it display the name of the presentation and also the minimize, maximize, restore, close, these buttons are present at the corner of the title bar. So look at the previous picture. See this option, this area is title bar. Okay, আমি যে yellow color করলাম, this area is title bar. Now you have to, now see there is written presentation. এখানে লেখা আছে presentation. See there is written a what, presentation. So presentation 1, you can give, suppose তুমি যদি living and non living thing এর উপর কোনো project করো, so you can give the name living and non living thing. So আমার প্রজেক্টের যে নামটাই হবে, সেটা যদি সায়েন্স প্রজেক্ট হয় সব সায়েন্স দিলাম, সায়েন্স প্রজেক্ট আমি দিলাম সায়েন্স প্রজেক্ট, হিস্ট্রি প্রজেক্ট হলে আমি দিলাম হিস্ট্রি প্রজেক্ট। তো এই নামটা কে ডিসপ্লে করবে, টাইটেল বার। ক্লিয়ার? নাও দ্য নেক্সট কম্পোনেন্ট ইজ কুইক অ্যাক্সেস টুলবার। The next component is quick access toolbar. Now this component is present on the top place of the title bar, which consists save, undo, redo, this option. Okay. Now come to this photograph. See this box is this small box is quick access toolbar. This area is quick access toolbar with, and under in this box the 4 options: save, কোনো document তৈরি করার পর save করা, and different other option. Okay, consists quick access toolbar. Number 3 is ribbon. Okay, it is located just below the title bar and it contains various tabs. So come to the picture. So see this portion is ribbon. See there are different tabs: file, home, then insert, আমি underline করে যাচ্ছি, then design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. All these options are called tabs. Now the tabs are contained into the ribbon area. See this is the ribbon area. This is the ribbon area where all these tabs are contained. Now, under this tab, we will get different options to make our presentation. Okay, all the options of making your presentation are located under all these tabs, and the tabs are located within ribbon. Clear? Now, the number 4 is file tab. The number 4 is file tab. Okay, so it is a red tab located on the top left corner of MS PowerPoint window. And when you click on the file tab, a new screen appears. This is called the backstage view. The backstage view helps us to create, save, open, and print the presentation. So see in the picture. Okay, I'm choosing another color so that you can understand. So this is the file tab. Okay, this is the file tab. The red option is the file tab. Now I'm showing you practically. So this is your PowerPoint window. This is the whole PowerPoint window. See, presentation one is here is the title bar. This is the title bar, and you can see all the tab: file, home, insert, design, transition. You can see all the tabs. The tabs in under which? The tabs in under ribbon. Okay, and now see, this is the file tab. The red color is the file tab. Now I am clicking on this. See, a screen is appear. আমি যখনই file tab এ click করলাম এই স্ক্রিনটা appear করলো. This screen is called the backstage view. Okay, this screen is called the backstage view. Now under this you will get different option: new, save as, print. You can print your project. Okay, different option. Now the next is, see, this is the area. Okay, I will. So next is slide viewing pane. So it is the place where the current slide is displayed. Okay, now see in the picture this area. This area is called the slide viewing pane. So it is my blank presentation. এখানে ভালো বুঝতে পারবে আরো. So in this area my slide will display. দেখো, this page is called slide where I can write. Suppose I am writing my name is Priyanka. Okay. So আমি যেখানে লিখলাম this area is called slide viewing pane where my slide is showing. Slide show করছে, and each slide is called a single page. So this is the page where I can write. আমি দেখো আমি লিখলাম, কোথায় লিখলাম? Slide এ লিখলাম. So slide is the page of the presentation. Okay, these are, see, all these are the page of the presentation where I can write, where I can create my presentation. Clear? Now the next is slide outline pane. Now slide outline pane কি করে? This is the slide outline pane. It displays the thumbnails of all slides in the presentation, and selecting any particular slide will make the slide appear displaying with the content of the slide. Okay, so I'm showing you practically so that you can understand properly. So see in this, so এটাকে বলে স্লাইড থাম্বনেল এরিয়া, যেখানে আমার প্রত্যেকটা স্লাইডকে ছোট ছোট বক্সে দেখাচ্ছে। এটা আমার ফার্স্ট স্লাইড নাম্বার 1, এটা আমার নাম্বার 2 স্লাইড, মানে নাম্বার 1 পেজ অফ দ্য প্রেজেন্টেশন, নাম্বার 2 পেজ অফ দ্য প্রেজেন্টেশন। এবারে যখনই আমি যে কোনো একটা থাম্বনেলের উপর ক্লিক করব, সেই স্লাইডটা আমার এখানে অ্যাপিয়ার করবে। ইফ আই উইল ক্লিক স্লাইড নাম্বার 2, then slide number 2 will appear here. Okay, so this position is called slide thumbnail. Clear? Now the next is status bar. It is located at the bottom of the application window, and it shows the information like the serial number of the current slide and the total number of the slide. Okay, all this. So come here. So this is the status bar. See, this is the status bar. যেখানে slide 1 of 1, slide number show করছে, and different scroll options, scroll up, scroll, zoom in, zoom out, এই অপশন গুলো show করে কি in the status bar. Clear? Now the next is rulers. Rulers কি? So we have 2 rulers in PowerPoint. So the first is horizontal ruler. The horizontal ruler is located on the top of MS PowerPoint window and it helps to set the left and right margin of the presentation. And next is vertical ruler, which helps to set the top and bottom margin of the presentation. So horizontal ruler is used to set the left and right margin of your presentation, and vertical ruler কি করে? Top and bottom margin of your presentation. Clear? Now I'm showing you practically. So see in this picture, this dotted line area, okay? This dotted line area at the top of the slide is called horizontal ruler, which is used to set the margin at left and right, okay? So left area তে margin set করতে পারবো and also right area তে margin set করতে পারবো using this horizontal ruler. See, this is horizontal ruler. And this is the vertical ruler. See, this is the vertical ruler, okay? Vertical ruler in which we can set the margin top এ set করতে পারবো, then we can set the margin as well as bottom, okay? Top to bottom এ set করতে পারবো আর এখানে left to right এ set করতে পারবো, left and right এ set করতে পারবো. Clear? Next is scroll bar. The last is scroll bar. There are also two scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Now the vertical scroll bar helps user to navigate up or down in the presentation, and horizontal scroll bar allowing to scroll left or right to the presentation. The vertical scroll bar কি করে? Up and down, and horizontal scroll bar left to right. Now I'm showing you. To see in this presentation, this is the vertical scroll bar. যেখানে slide আমি up down করতে পারছি। First slide এ যাওয়া, second slide এ যাওয়া আমি যেতে পারছি। Okay? I can go down, that means to the next slide. Then I can go to the previous slide. This is the scroll bar. See in this picture, this is the scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar and this is the horizontal scroll bar. Then next, this is a zoom slider at present, which using which we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and this at this area the horizontal scroll bar will also present. Clear? So this is the total component of MS PowerPoint, where we can, which all the components are used to create our presentation, make our presentation more attractive. Okay, this all the components help us to make the presentation. Okay, so all of you children, all of you read each of the components from your book and also also see this picture to understand the components clearly, and also practice how we can start the MS PowerPoint. Clear? And also write the notes in your computer copy. And next day I will give you some question answer over this topic. So for today, just read the topic and understand the topic. Clear? So thank you and take care.